Rustic kitchen islands you'll want to try. This rustic option from Farmhouse on Boone is a little bit country, a little bit modern, and perfect for any kitchen that could use some extra counter space. Not only does it lend extra room for chopping and prepping, but the shelves and cabinet provide easy storage for pots, pans, and other necessities. If you have a lot of space, why not fill it up with a kitchen island as beautiful as this one from the Linen Rabbit? Not only does this stunning island provide a lot of extra storage and counter area, but it also stands alone as an heirloom piece that helps set the vibe of the entire kitchen. A simple, yet beautiful wooden island like this one is the perfect piece for any modern farmhouse kitchen. If you already have a kitchen island and don't feel like investing in an entire renovation, take a cue from this well-designed space from House of Honey Dew and add a few rustic details to produce the look. The wooden trim on this white kitchen island lends a farmhouse-y feel and helps to create a cohesive style across the other wooden elements in the kitchen. This is an easy addition to nearly any kitchen island and adds the perfect amount of farmhouse chic. It's already clear that rustic kitchen islands don't need to be all wood, and this oversized island from Grey Birch Designs uses various materials and textures to create a country chic kitchen that is both updated and cozy. We also love the industrial-style architect bar stools alongside the weathered wood accents in this space. Think that a smaller kitchen means you can't fit a rustic kitchen island? Think again. This adorable teal and wood kitchen cart from farm_decor_mama doubles as a small island that provides extra prep space and a shelf for storage. No matter the size of your kitchen, adding a rustic island can help center the space and create a focal point. This large kitchen island from Nutch_Design_Co is minimalist, with the perfect amount of rustic thrown in. We love the simple white counters and shiplap siding paired with a touch of natural wood trim. Mixing and matching white and wooden elements in a kitchen is a great way to add a rustic feel while keeping the space modern and updated. Using reclaimed or weathered wood is a great way to create a rustic feel in nearly any kitchen. This island from Villa Longa Mallorca is an eye-catching piece that looks instantly rustic, with wood planks stained in various shades of weathered grays and browns. The mismatched stain is a great way to produce a farmhouse-inspired rustic look that pairs well with nearly any cabinetry. This large U-shaped kitchen island from Kindermaid_ uses shiplap and a dark stained wooden countertop for a rustic yet modern look that ties the rest of the white kitchen together. A large kitchen island not only makes a statement, but it acts as a centerpiece to decorate around and helps guide the rest of your kitchen decor choices. While rustic tends to mean heavy, deep woods and solid construction, it doesn't have to mean colorless. This beautiful island from YouLl Rustic Dream is fun and unique, with bright teal planks that lend a pop of color to the otherwise neutral kitchen. We also love how it looks next to the patterned tiles. Don't be afraid to mix and match styles when it comes to rustic decor. There's just something about a shaker kitchen island that screams classic. This beautiful wooden kitchen island from Lizzie Marie is the perfect accent piece for an otherwise white kitchen. It adds a lot of warmth to a modern space that feels incredibly cozy and homey. This piece also features heavy details that add a lot of texture to the kitchen. This kitchen island from Countryline_Farmhouse looks like it's been in the family for decades, with a stunning weathered wood stain that gives it a rustic farmhouse feel. We love the wide wooden plank countertop and the beadboard siding that make it a unique and original focal point for the room. This is the perfect centerpiece for any farmhouse kitchen. Rustic doesn't have to mean heavy, solid pieces that take up the whole kitchen. This island from Embracing the Chaos is the perfect versatile item that not only provides extra counter space but also creates a breakfast bar for drinking a cup of coffee or scanning the morning paper. When mixed with other deep woods, black can look rustic, plus, if you pick a chalkboard paint, you can use the space for grocery lists, notes, and appointments. There's no denying that shiplap is one of the most popular modern, rustic materials out there today. Whether Joanna Gaines is to thank or the look is just so versatile that it's found its way into all types of homes, decorating with shiplap is a great way to add a rustic feel to any room. This lovely kitchen island from Charlotte's Happy Home maintains the same concrete countertop throughout the kitchen, but also incorporates white shiplap that adds texture to the space. This rustic kitchen island from Fox Built is made to play alongside the rest of the kitchen, but uses a deeper brown wood than the cabinetry. The light marble countertops provide an interesting contrast from the deeper rustic wood base that keeps the space fresh and interesting. The entire kitchen in this rental home from Unique Homestays is so interesting, it feels like there's something new to look at each time you come in. The antiqued wood kitchen island fits the rest of the rustic cabin-like space perfectly and even features unique antique farm tools on the outside to give it an incredible vintage feel. Whether you use real brick or fake it with removable wallpaper, brick can look incredibly rustic and homey when used in a kitchen island. The contrast between the red brick and the deep wood countertop on this island from our Nohai home creates visual interest and makes the rest of the kitchen feel cozy and complete. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.